There's a shift happening in business right now. Modern professionals don't hand over contact details anymore. They transfer them instantly, cleanly, without friction. And this isn't about technology, it's about perception. Because the way you share your details today signals how current you are, how efficiently you operate. Some people still explain who they are. Others let their presence speak first. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a digital business card really represents and why it's becoming the professional standard. Now, let's build one properly. Go to brandedqrcode.com. Scroll down and click Create Your Landing Page. You'll then get two options, Business Page and Contact Card. Click Contact Card. You'll see 3 ready-made templates. Choose the one you like. For this video, we'll pick the second template. You can now customize it. Add your profile photo, your name, your title or post, your company, and a short description about yourself. Enter your contact details, your phone number, WhatsApp number, email, website, and address. You can also upload a PDF. You can also upload images then. You can pick the number of images you want to upload and also add titles to your images. Next, add your social media links as well. Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and even X. Then scroll up to the design section. Here you can choose your background. You can use an image at the top with a color at the bottom, a primary color at the top with a secondary color at the bottom, the same color for the entire background, or an image covering the full background. For this video, we'll use an image on the top and a secondary color at the bottom. You can also edit the size of your profile photo. Choose the color and style for your name, your title or post, your company name, and your description. Next, move to the Contact Us design section. Here you can adjust the color of the container, the icons, the labels, and the values. Next, go to the Image Titles design section. You can change your title color, font size, and even the text style. Then go to the Social Media Links design section. Here you can change the container color, the icon size, and the icon font size. When everything is ready, save your page. After that, go to Link to QR Code. Then click Go to QR Code Generator. You'll now see 2 options, Create from Scratch or Design Assistant. We'll start with Design Assistant. Upload your face or logo. For this video, we'll upload a face. You can change its background color, resize it, and click Apply Changes. You'll then see 4 to 6 ready-made options. Pick the one you like. You can then edit it even further. Adjust the export size, then set the foreground and background colors, followed by the QR detail level and QR code size. Next, fine-tune the padding, border width, and border roundness. Choose the pattern shape and corner style, and select the frame style. You can also customize the frame by editing the frame text, setting the frame color and frame width, adjusting the frame roundness, and defining the frame text color and size. You can also choose whether you want the face centered or not. Now link the QR code. We'll link it to our saved landing page. Click Landing Page, select your page, and you'll see Landing Page X is selected to confirm it. Download the QR code, scan it, and there you go. Now scroll up to create a plain QR code. Click Remove Image, then Reset Style. Choose your foreground and background colors. Download it, scan it, and there you go.